Hey guys, welcome back. I got the fuel filter installed. It's pretty simple to get the filter installed, but my lines, the routing isn't all that great, so I may have to drop the tank down anyways and correct that. I threw 6 quarts of oil in it. I don't even have a dipstick. I plugged my coils in. I don't have a cooling system, but I at least want to hear this thing run. So I need to program it and turn off the anti-theft. I'll at least make a few changes while I'm in there, stuff I know that I'm going to need, and then we can write this to the vehicle and see if it runs. Okay, so once we have the vehicle pulled up, we're going to go to System, we're going to go to the Security and VATS Control, and we're going to turn that to None. None of this other stuff was enabled, and we're also going to change our cooling fans. We're going to run 2 fans. We can change our on and off point. We can adjust those. We can fine tune those later. But what I really want to make sure is we have the fan option turned on, because originally that output was connected to the recirculation door in the HVAC system. So now that we are tied to a cooling fan, I don't want it to try and operate that output like it's connected to an HVAC door. So we go to fan number 2. Recirculation not fitted, and that should be the basics of what we need. Now we need to write this to the vehicle. We're going to activate our license. Now you do want to make sure that your battery is fully charged for this. You may also want to unplug some stuff like the fans, the headlights, make sure all that stuff's off during the programming process. I use a programming battery charger. It supplies a steady state of voltage to the battery during the programming process. But programming these doesn't take long, so as long as your battery's fully charged up, you shouldn't have an issue. So we just wait for this to complete. It's going to do a little bit of cleanup, and then we'll hit OK. We'll close it out, and we are done. Now we can try to start it up. Just start up and put like a kitten.
Okay, Chad. Game on now, buddy. Gotta get it done.
And that's it. I couldn't wait anymore. I just wanted to get it started up, and I wanted to share that with you. That whistling sound is really annoying, and we're going to fix that, hopefully. So stay tuned. Thanks for watching.